In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method on Google Adsense. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process as simple and straightforward as possible, ensuring that you can start receiving your payments efficiently. To begin, let's navigate to the Google Adsense homepage. You'll want to make sure you are logged into your Google account to access all the options you'll need. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is locate the Payments option. You can find this within the main menu on the left-hand side of the page. Take your time exploring these options if you're unfamiliar with the layout. This will be crucial as you manage your AdSense account moving forward. Having clicked on Payments, you'll be directed to a new section of your AdSense dashboard. Here you should look for Payment Info and click on it. This section is central to setting up and managing your payment methods. It's vital to ensure all the information in this section is accurate and up to date, as it affects how smoothly you receive payments. Next up, you'll see an option to Add Payments Account. Selecting this will begin the process of adding your payment details. You'll be required to fill out several pieces of information, so keep any necessary documents or details on hand, such as your bank account information. This process is designed to be secure, but always verify that you are on the official Google AdSense site to protect your data. Filling up the information now entails entering your bank account details. Double check each entry you make here, as errors can lead to delays in your payment processing. In this section, you may be asked for other types of information depending on your location or banking institution, so be prepared to provide additional details as needed. Once you've diligently filled out all the required fields with your payment information, the final step is to click Submit. This action finalizes your payment method setup with Google AdSense. Take a moment to review everything one last time before submitting to ensure accuracy. And there you have it, you've now successfully set up a payment method on Google AdSense. That wasn't too complicated, was it? Remember, keeping your payment method updated is crucial for seamless transactions. And if you ever need to modify your payment details, you can return to the Payments section and make the necessary changes. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or explore Google's help resources for further assistance.